Good morning. Today I will introduce you syllabus of physics BSc third year semester 5. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad revised this syllabus from June 2015. In this slide we will see semester wise paper number, code number, title of the paper, periods and marks. For semester 5 there are 4 papers. 2 papers are theoretical and 2 are practical. The weightage of the papers are 50 marks for each paper and allotted periods 45 for each. I will teach you the paper number 15, classical and quantum mechanics. Similarly, here in the semester 6th there are 4 papers, 2 theory papers and 2 practical papers. In this slide, scheme of practical examination and marks are given. Practical papers are clubbed in such a way paper number 17 plus 18. These are based on theory paper 15 and 16. Total marks 100. Another practical paper 21 plus 22 based on theory paper 19 and 20 and 100 marks are given. Now the distribution of practical examination marks is given as for paper 17 plus 18 experiment 75, viva voice 15, record books 10, total 100. For another paper experiment 70, viva voice 10 marks, record book 10 marks, submission of project 10 marks and total 100 marks. I will teach you in the semester 5th paper number 15. Title of the paper is Classical and Quantum Mechanics. Allotted periods 45, course code PHY 301 and total marks 50. Chapter number 1 Classical Mechanics. Articles: Mechanics of a particle, Mechanics of system of particles, Constraints, Classification of constraints, Virtual work, D'Alembert's principle, Lagrange's equation, Simple applications of Lagrange's formulation, that is simple pendulum, particle in a space, linear harmonic oscillator, Etude's machine. Chapter number 2 Origin of quantum theory. Introduction, Failure of classical mechanics, black body radiation, distribution of energy, Planck's quantum theory, Planck's quantum postulates, linear momentum of photon in terms of wave vector, Planck's radiation law, Wien's law, Rayleigh-Jean's law, Einstein's equation, quantum theory of photoelectric effect and Compton effect. Chapter number 3 Wave particle duality. Introduction, de Broglie's hypothesis for matter waves, de Broglie's wavelength in terms of energy and temperature, de Broglie phase velocity and particle velocity, relation between them, group velocity, relation between group velocity and phase velocity, Davison-Germer experiment, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, applications of Heisenberg uncertainty principle, non-existence of electrons in nucleus. Chapter number 4, the Schrödinger equation and its application. Wave function psi of a moving particle, time-dependent Schrödinger's wave equation, expectation values, operators, time-independent Schrödinger equation, that is steady state form, particle in a one-dimensional box, and quantization of energy. Now, this is the list of reference books: Classical Mechanics, Goldstein; Classical Mechanics, N.C. Rana and P.S. Jog; Classical Mechanics, Gupta, Kumar and Sharma; Introduction of Classical Mechanics, R.G. Takwale and P.S. Puranik; Physics for Degree Students, C.L. Arora, P.S. Hemne; Quantum Chemistry, Donald Allen McQuarrie; Mathematics for Chemistry, Donald Allen McQuarrie; Concepts of Modern Physics, Weiser; Perspectives of Modern Physics, Weiser. Apart from that, some textbooks are also available in the market. Thank you. Good morning. Today we are going to see syllabus of the physics paper for semester 5. In semester 5, there are 2 theory papers and 2 practical papers. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Aurangabad revised the syllabus of BSc third year in the year 2015. Now in this table there are semester